Right folks, demoulding one of the big dragons again. I haven't bothered filming the making of it because obviously that's all detailed in another video. However, I thought you might like to see the demould. So this is what we're going to do. Just loosening it off. This one's got a lot of purples in it. Yeah, different colours to what I used last time. Just loosening the mould off. Put you the links as always for the powders, the mould, everything in the description, and also the link to the other video where I actually show the making of this, or rather its predecessor. So I'm just loosening it all off now. Now the tails are always a little delicate at first, so I'm being very careful around the tail, and I'll start there. You can see I've got a bit of overspill to trim off. I'll do that while it's still in the mould. Only a bit of it. Don't want to risk cutting the mould by accident. So there we go, here comes his tail. Let's go for his head next, because I like to make sure I've got the bit where it goes inside his mouth out. Here he comes, here he comes. I've found I can be quite, reasonably forceful with this mould. It's very high quality silicone, but all the same, don't want to tear it. I think it would be quite hard to tear, but it's a posh mould. I do like to, being a bit mindful of the fact that I really don't want to have to fork out for another one. Also, I believe these moulds are handmade, so I would hate to damage someone's work. Oh. Linda from Pouring Your Heart Out. Hope I've got your name right. I think it's Linda. Absolutely loving your mould. And here we go. He's free. Put that out of the way. Mica powder everywhere. Here we go. Let's turn him over. Whoa! Oh, I say. I hope the camera's doing these colours justice. Obviously I've yet to colour his little eye in. But look at the blues and the purples. Those are amazing. Now, these mica powders that I used here that's some of the nail art ones that I've used before. And a lot of the rest of these, there's some nail art powders, there's some of the electro resin powders, there's all sorts in here. So I'll put you the links for them all. And I'm off to tidy up these little bits and take some photos, and then this guy will be going on my Shopify shop within the next hour or so. So there we go. If anybody would like one of these, that's where you'll find it, my Shopify shop. Again, the link is below. But yeah, woohoo! Gold. I love this mould. See you for the next video.